EDO 2020. Oredo APC women, Arewa APC women don burn their APC brooms to take show say dem stand gidigba for Obaseki back as dem Decamp enter PDP. Plenty APC women for Oredo local government area and Arewa women wey be APC members don carry waka go campaign office of PDP Women Win Campaign Council where dem for burn their APC brooms to take show say dem tanda gidigba for PDP and Governor Godwin Obaseki wey be the party governorship candidate. This one shele on Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. Some members of Oredo Ward 6 Women Forum still carry their permanent voters card follow body to go declare their ogbonge support for PDP.
I want to join him as a forum to support him with our voters card.
We can't see the good work when Obaseki can they do for us. Now, you want to come tell us now say person when he say native, he still say make we come vote for her. Now we say no. We want the work when Obaseki they do make it finish her.
We say the good work when Obaseki and Shaibu they do. Now we see, we like her. Now we say we want join. We want come out for APC, for PDP. We say we not go please stay outside. They look the work. We want enter house. That's why we come today. You know how our proof our hand. See our PVC. That's why we say we want to join now. But we for join now, move the work forward.
Some members of Hairdressers Union join body follow the women to go show their support for the Wake and See governor. Leaders of the Women Win Campaign Council of PDP come clap hand for the women unto say them don't choose better person wey sabi better thing to do for im people. Them still come tell them say make them no worry and make them no fear. Sake of say katakata, yamayama and wuruwuru no go dey for the September 19th election.
Anytime we una get up, make una dey remember say 4 plus 4. Almost back according to an Auchi person.
People they talk say na so them go fight, na so them go kill. Now so they go do this one. Make them for scare una from coming out to vote. Make una not mind them all. This election will be the most peaceful election we Edo State do ever.
This is a decision of a lifetime. And by the special grace of God, we're going to win, and each and every one of you will contribute to the governor coming back for the second tenure.
When we did PDP, that's why we dey pray every day, make APC not give a ticket. Because we know the good things when follow us. We know the good things when follow us. The day when it cross, now that day we don't say victory now for Edo. Because the thing when it do, is the show for us, not be so. What is good is good.
Wife of Edo State Governor wey still be the first lady of the state, Betsy Obaseki, come use the opportunity take educate the women on top how them go join body to make sure say all of them vote well and defend their votes. She still come beg the women make them report anybody wey won't buy their PVC.
Una go see umbrella and look for umbrella. Like mama talk, take this finger, put them there. When you put them, not make put them only for center, make it touch center. You come out your hand and make you not fold the paper. If not, the ink, if you come another side, if you come any other party side, then go cancel your votes. We don't want to make governor lose any vote. When I hear me so, make every vote count. So make una tell everybody waiting around tell them so today. Make nobody give him PVC to any man or woman. If they come tell them, anybody who not say they now collect them PVC, make una tell them, make them come report.
The women yan say belle sweet them well on top this election as them want make September 19 come quick, make them for vote Governor Obaseki will be their one and only choice enter power. This na the ogbonge informate who don't carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Oredo APC women, Arewa APC women don't burn their APC brooms to take show say them stand gidigba for Obaseki back and them Decamp enter PDP. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Isosa Osanyente.